What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with a playbook. Hope you have a great day, morning, or evening. And y'all read the title, man. Urgent XRP update. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I appreciate giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly crypto and altcoin analysis. We also post weekly stock analysis and we day trade over here. So we live stream and live trade every day. London session 3 EST on this very same channel. So we teach y'all not only how to make passive income, but as well as active income when it comes to investing on these charts. So again, dropped a video on XRP last week, y'all. If y'all patrons to that video, y'all should be up right now. So in this video, we're going to be talking about specific price points where I recommend DCing in and DCing out at, as well as paying attention to, as well as the analysis as far as what we can see XRP doing this week and ultimately for the month. Now, you already know first things first. Gotta give a special shout out to the members and students. We went absolutely crazy last week. Not only did we break these things down in the Sunday chart analysis in the free signal room, free Telegram, but we also broke these down and entered this trade during the London session live. And then we also broke this down during the London session live as well. So these were beautiful 1-to-3, almost 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio setup. And of course, you know, I had to make sure the members and students got in on this as well. Again, you can see the reactions, the TPs getting hit, the time, the date, the entry, the SL. Can't make none of this stuff up, y'all. Literally can't make none of this stuff up. But 1-to-3 risk ratio means basically whatever I risked, I made 3 times that amount. So if I would have risked $100, I would have made $300. If I would have risked $1,000, I would have made $3,000 off this one trade alone, and another 300 or 3,000 off this one trade alone. All right, y'all. Be interested in the signal service or how to day trade, links are in the description, y'all. Make sure to check that out. Now, looking at XRP. So again, it's I can't see too much on the monthly, so we're going to go ahead and chop it down to smaller time frame, right? We're not going to waste our time with that. So again, remember last week, what did we talk about? We talked about this price point here at $2.25. And what did we say? We said we need to see $2.25 be maintained and held as support, right? So when we go into the smaller time frame, we can see the price did exactly that. So again, imagine you would have bought in at $2.25. This is exactly why these levels are marked off. This is exactly why I'm Playmaker Way, and it's called the playbook, and I'm here to make y'all playmakers. Look at how price reacted to this level. Look at how price reacted to this level. Look at how price reacted to this level perfectly. So imagine you would have bought in at $2.25. You would be up right now, right? So also look how price reacted there. We could do this all day though, but that's besides the point. So if we can maintain $2.25 of support, we can see our way going back up to $3.30, going to see if we could break the all-time highs. Now, before we can see $3.30 get hit, we have this minor level here at $2.60 that we see price has been struggling to break and hold that support. You can see price struggled here in the past. You can see volume broke above it, but when it retraced and retested, you can see it still failed to hold that support. So before we can even see the all-time highs get hit, before we can even see $3 get hit again, we need $2.60 broken and held that support, and then we could possibly see price come back up to here. All right, y'all. So I need y'all to pay attention to these price points right here. Now, if price continues to fail to break $2.60, it might end up failing and rejecting the support level here at $2.25. Now, if that happens, do not be too shocked or surprised if we see price retrace back down to $1.60, because again, we had a huge push to the upside. We get rid of all these paths. We can see that we have a nice higher high. So right now, depending on what happens this month, well, this is the weekly candlestick, right? So depending on what happens the end of this week and the next week, we're either going to see a reattempt for a new higher high to get made, or again, like I said, we're going to see price retrace and try to retest this level, because again, this is a very strong support and resistance level. We can see how price treated this level strongly as resistance, and again, we see volume just blew through. We didn't necessarily retest that level, so do not be too shocked or surprised if price attempts to retest this level before the next major push up. But again, that does not mean freak out or be worried. Again, you should secure profits, but you're supposed to buy when things are on sale and on discount. Always remember that, y'all. Always remember that. So again, y'all, if price can hold $2.25 of support, we can see price pushing back up to $2.60, where we need that to be broken and held that support in order for us to see $3, ultimately $3.30 get hit again. Now, $3.30 can get hit. we need to see that be broken and held at support in order for all times not only to get hit and surpassed, but for us to see 360 and ultimately $4 get hit and achieved again. All right, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free Signal free Telegram. If you're interested in how to identify these levels, my Signal service or my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description, y'all. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free Signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this Signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also, make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.